Python is the most widely used language in data science. That's because Python has a vast ecosystem of libraries and tools that make it incredibly simple to code and visualize complex data. And while the internet is filled with online tutorials that teach Python in bits and pieces, there are no all-round courses that inculcate not just the theory, but also the practical applications required to take the first step towards a successful data science career. Therefore, SkilloVilla has created this Python for Data Science course, which will help you build a strong foundation in how Python is used in the field of data science. SkilloVilla does that using a multi-format approach, through videos, reading materials, quizzes, and projects. But one of the major highlights of the course is the live classes, which are conducted by industry experts. And our experts are experts.
Hi, I am Krishna Chaitanya Rachapudi, and I am the lead data scientist at Discover Financial Services.
I am working as a data scientist at Adobe.
Format Labs,
Microsoft,
McKinsey & Company,
Citibank,
Swiggy,
Myntra,
TransferWise.
And by the end of this course, you'll have solid command on Python and will get an industry-wide recognized certificate to add 5 stars in your resume. SkilloVilla is your true companion from learning to earning. So take your first steps towards a successful data science career by enrolling in this course today.